Hello world, we're back here on the range. It's a beautiful day, sunny and 70, and Moosey's got some pretty cool stuff to tell y'all. Okay, so we have a lot of guns on the compound, and when you buy a lot of guns, you buy used guns, and when you get used guns, a lot of time you'll run into issues with them and stuff that needs to be replaced, or you want to make them better than when you got them. So, welcome to Compound Restoration. Alright, well, on the compound, on Compound TV, I've said that I was gonna bring up a gun that I didn't get to show you before because the parts didn't come in. Well, this is it, and it's an AR-15 pistol. Okay, this is a pistol. This is not a stock. This is an arm brace. It's one of the few things I had to put on it. I bought this gun, and when I bought it, I was having issues. It wouldn't cycle reliably. It kept jamming up, and it looked like it wasn't ejecting far enough. So, well, the first thing I did, I went the cheapest route, and it was like new magazines, new buffer spring and buffer, and that didn't do it, like at all. So the next thing I did is we slapped a bolt in it because we had another AR at the house. We slapped another bolt in it to see if that was the problem, and it cycled fine. So I went out and I bought another bolt, and it cycles fine now. But I also went ahead and I changed out buffer tubes. I got a better buffer tube, and then I got this arm brace. That's what it is. It has Velcro straps. You put your arm in here, and you can. It's a stabilizer, is what it is. Okay. But not that long ago, the ATF sent out a letter talking specifically about this brand, and saying that you can shoulder these now. Before, it was, I don't know if they said it was a felony, but it was, people didn't know if it was a felony to shoulder this because it's not a stock, it's an arm brace. But you can shoulder them now. So this is one of 3 pretty cool things that I'm excited about that I wanted to come out and show and shoot. So here we go. Wait! Deer Pro! Okay, this is the AR-15. We're shooting 223 out of a 10.5-inch barrel, so it's loud. Cover me! Okay, so yeah, she cycles good. But we've got all these stainless steel plates. They're super thin, like 18 gauge.
Yeah, 18 gauge.
And we're gonna try and like space them out a little bit. And I want to see if they're spaced out. They're stainless, so they're pretty strong. If 6 of these will stop 223, we'll see. Yep. Nope. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is I had bought a Mosin Nagant 9130, and it was in a previous video, it was in our AR-500 armor testing video. And when I bought the gun from an individual, and somebody had done a horrible paint job on it. It was this black and white camo. I'm going to show the video. Next we're going to shoot it with my Mosin Nagant 9130, and that's a 7.62 by 54R, a hair bigger than a 308. Okay, so you saw the clip. It was pretty horrible looking. Now I still have the gun, but we did some stuff to it. This is that same Mosin Nagant. the same very one. Okay, we took me and Safety Daytona. Cannot cut him out of this because he helped out a lot with this. Yeah, we didn't sand it. We actually took fingernail polish remover and acetone, and we took all the paint off of the entire stock. They had it on the sights, they had it on the barrel, they had it everywhere. Didn't have a strap, and they had lost the cleaning rod. So what we did is we just cleaned the whole thing up. We restained it, so it was a little bit darker. It's still not as dark as the original wood, but we restained it, we clear coated it, and I went and I bought a strap. This is the original strap. They had a surplus of them online, the website that I found it on. And original strap, went and bought an aftermarket cleaning rod, so it has the cleaning rod, and it 100% looks like a different gun. But I love it. I've shot this gun a lot, and this will be the first time I've shot it after we've cleaned it up. So here we go.
So Moose forgot his ammo. So now I hear Safety coming down the lane. We're going to go pick it up at the house. We've also got a bunch of TVs over there. Well, we had an old computer monitor that I told Safety to get when he went, and he lost it on the way back. Oh, we've got it this time.
So now, since we got the muzzle all finished up, this will be the first time shooting it since we got everything done correctly. I got 2 cans of hamburger meat and a jug full of water. Kind of disappointing because that's a big old honker bullet, but the assumption is that it's just going so fast it kind of went right through everything. Like if I shoot this jug with a 223, it blows it up. Alright, so I still have 1 round left, so we got some broken flat screens over here we're going to shoot. Huh. Very anticlimactic. Oh, you smell that?
Mm-hmm.
What is it on? It ate right through that metal and that board. Yeah, here, let me pull this. And it shot right there. Watch yourselves. I'm gonna drop it, Lucas. Right. There's that hole. Alright. Okay, so this next thing I want to show you, it doesn't really have to do with our compound restoration, but I felt like it needed to be added in there because what happened is my brother Ryan, he was picking up another gun at the gun shop that we like to go to, and he sent me this picture of these 2 guns, and I had to have them. So here they are. It's the 2 Ruger Blackhawks 50th anniversary match set. Okay, it's a 4-inch barrel on the 357 and a 6-inch barrel on the 44 mag. And I got a little antsy, and we've already shot them, so you don't get to see us shoot it for the first time. But they were so neat, I thought that I just had to add them onto the channel and let y'all see them. So we're gonna shoot these today. To the Ruger Blackhawk Chamber 357. I got the same setup down there. Alright, so I'm trash with revolvers. So Rowdy is gonna come over here with his other Ruger Blackhawk chambered in 44 mag, and he's gonna try and do better than me, which will probably end up happening. Woo. I missed that one high. A little left. Yeah. Nailed it. That was the first one I missed. It carved right through it, see?
Go get the cam.
Nope, that was moved. Oh, God. Yeah. Alright, so 44 mag does pretty good damage on there.
It does work.
Yeah, it does work on that.
Where'd the other one go? The other one really shredded.
Yeah, some of it right there. Some of it right there. You're tiny.
Shoot the monitor.
Killed it. You want to come and shoot?
Kinda, yeah.
Okay. Go. Turns out that, 357 has a lot of power behind it, but not enough speed to go through, because this monitor stopped it. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so we still have one can of dog food left, and Rowdy's girlfriend wants to go ahead and try and hit it, so she's going to be shooting it with the 357 Blackhawk. Hit it. Good job.
If you miss.
Alright guys, so from the last video we still have this dartboard. So Rowdy's girlfriend is going to shoot it with a 44 mag Blackhawk.
Hold on to it tight.
I see it.
But I think I missed the first one then.
Well, that's alright, but still, yeah, it just carves right through this cork board. No problem.
Alright, well, we got some TVs over there, and I wanted to take some shots at it with my 44, and then we're going to take what's left and line it up and take a shot with the 50 BMG. Monitor. TV. Monitor.
Get a little higher. There we go.
I don't know if I have one left.
There's 6.
It didn't do a lot to that TV.
Nah. It might have went through. I probably went through. The monitor because the plastic chunks. No fucking way. It didn't go through the TV. At all. But the monitor on there, man, I haven't looked in the back of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's A right through. Oh, this metal right there.
44's a champ.
Alright guys, so we still have, whole TVs down there. So, we have them all lined up, and we're going to take a shot at them with the 50. see how it goes.
Lucas took the scooter down there. He got there a lot faster than me. I have to walk.
Alright, so never really gotten to take a long distance shot with that yet. So, you know, I thought why not today? We got big enough targets. From the truck to here is about 200, maybe a little over 200 yards. And the scope isn't sighted in, so I just aimed center mass on the small TV monitor. And I hit right here, and it carved through that one, and that one, and that one, and then made a big old hole in the back. So, it was to be expected, you know, just to carve through all these TVs. I thought it would do a little more damage, but, you know, I'm not unimpressed, so.
It was neat.
It was neat. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Rodney's got some stuff to say about next week's video.
Alright, so next week we got some big stuff planned, and it's gonna be a Halloween themed video. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with that. If you like watching our videos, keep watching them. Please subscribe, and we'll keep doing what we do. Thanks.
Thank you.